Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth and location on your phone, then grant the app any requested permissions so scans are accurate. Once done, open the Finder and start a full scan. You want live results immediately. Make sure to apply a device filter if you know the type or MAC prefix to cut down noise. You'll see a list of nearby radios populate. Pick one to track and switch to proximity or continuous mode, which gives faster updates as you move. You now interpret signal strength readings, RSSI or estimated meters, to tell how close you are. Higher RSSI equals nearer. As you walk, use the map or signal history chart to see trends and adjust sensitivity to smooth spikes. Once a candidate strengthens consistently, switch to single device tracking and prioritize its MAC address so other beacons don't distract you. Move slowly in short steps while watching for stable increases. You finish by using the app's ring or ping function to trigger sound or LED on the target. That verifies it's the right device. Once confirmed, mark or save it in the app, check battery level and record the last seen time so you can return quickly. If the device doesn't appear, try restarting the scan, toggling airplane mode briefly to reset radios, or moving to a different location to avoid interference. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the phone and the lost device before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.